The car was originally my father's, Tom Keating. He bought the car when he was 15 years old. He purchased the car in 1957, and the car's been in our family the whole entire time. But the vehicle's actually been in the garage for the last 47 years.
Can you believe it's been sitting in here for 47 years, dude? It's unbelievable.
We didn't have the funds because we had 6 kids and we were paying off our house. When he passed away, I decided Robert was the only one that could really restore it.
We'll do on the front, and we're gonna help support it and push it, so that it's not just getting, you know, yanked out of here. It moved, yeah. Good job, Steve.
Right now, I'm sad.
Yeah.
Because he'll never see it restored,
Yeah.
you know.
But hopefully you will, right?
I hope so.
You know, my mom has marginal zone lymphoma, so I want to make sure it got done. And she can see it. It's important to me and my brothers.